Hello, mabuhay. I am Christopher of APASI, which is Adhesive and Paints Application Systems Incorporated. We are happy to be here at Interpack to be part of the show here at Interpack together with Leibinger. Being with Leibinger for 20 years now, and we are very excited to be part of this grand unveiling of the new technology to be unveiled by Leibinger, Germany. It is a game changer specifically for the pharmaceutical industry. With regards to the GS1, 2D barcodes, and so on. We're very excited and we are very looking forward to having a more fruitful business partnership here with APASI and Leibinger.